Hello, I'm Guy Maalouf. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Lebanon originally. I'm a PhD student as part of the WildDrone project. Originally, I have background in electrical and computer engineering, and from there, I really grew my passion for drones. In the WildDrone project, we're trying to use drones to promote wildlife conservation, mainly, for example, protecting rhinos, even some giraffes that we have here, zebras, all kind of different mammals we find in the savannah in Kenya. So we're also trying to put the foundation of how to operate drones safely and how to be compliant with the regulations. One of the main challenges I'm working on is enabling BVLOS, which stands for Beyond Visual Line of Sight. So in summary, at the moment, regulations allow you to fly drones only up to 500 meters. And if you want to fly them beyond that, you need a special permit. And this is actually very useful when we're flying in Kenya because we need to cover very long distances. So this is a challenge I'm constantly working on. At the moment, we're preparing our January hackathon. So in January 2025, we're going to be going to Kenya to fly drones for wildlife conservation. And at the moment, I'm very busy coming up with all of the permits and talking with Kenyan government. I'm super excited to be working on this project because we're really promoting the drone for good applications. And personally, I love seeing drones being used for good.